Hello there. Our fine dry run of weather continued on Monday. Plenty of sunshine out west, a bit more cloud in the east, and that created some cooler air that then flowed across the UK. Hence, the lower kind of temperatures that we had. For example, London going from 23 on Sunday to 18 for a high on Monday. The highest temperatures out west, 24 degrees Celsius, warm in the sunshine. We are going to see some changes in the weather picture, though, over the next few days, and it's all down to Storm Oscar that's bringing torrential rain to Madeira, some strong gusts of wind there as well. Oscar itself doesn't actually make it to the UK, it stays to the southwest, but it will be transporting some much warmer air our way. Humidity levels rising, as will the temperatures through the weekend, mid to high 20s, but it won't be dry everywhere. There will be some fairly hefty thundery showers around as well to watch out for. That is a feature of the weather we've seen so far this month. For example, in Holbeach in Lincolnshire, the average for June's 19 degrees. But we've been nowhere near that so far this month on account of often cloudier weather we've seen and often those chilly northeasterly winds. Another feature of the weather we've got at the moment is some of you will see quite high levels of pollen, and it's grass pollen we have at the moment.
We have got a treat in store for you and for us this morning because Carol is with us. Morning, Carol.
Good morning. I think the treat is all mine, Sal.
And you're bringing
the
sun. I've heard you already. You're bringing some sunshine.
Yes, indeedy.
I thought she was virtual reality. I thought it was my headset.
She's real.
But you can't touch, just say. Good morning, everybody. This morning, it's a cloudy start, but as Sal rightly said, that cloud once again is going to burn back towards the east coast. And then many of us are going to see a fair bit of sunshine, warm sunshine at that, a bit later on. But it does look like, Sal and John, the weather is going to change a bit as we head overnight Thursday and into the weekend with some showers, some of which will be heavy and also thundery. So, Sal, I know you've been gardening. This might be music to your ears.
I have been gardening quite a lot, inspired by you, Carol. So will I be in the garden this afternoon?
Yes.
Marvellous.
Yes.
Come and join me.
And the rain will help the garden.
The rain will help the garden. We all need a little bit of rain sometimes.
And a little bit of help.
Yes.
Thank you.
Some of us more than others. Yes.
Good morning. It is yet another cloudy start this morning, but eventually the cloud will start to burn back to something brighter, a few sunny spells later on this afternoon.
Carol is here this morning, and I love the photo behind you, Carol, because I know there's cloud, but there's some optimism there, isn't it? The sun is trying to break through.
Absolutely right, Sal, as always. That's the forecast, actually, so you've just done my job for me.
So,
Okay, thank you, Carol.
I haven't. I definitely haven't. You know that's true.
Bless you. Far better than I could as well. Good morning, everybody. This morning, as Sal rightly said, it's a cloudy start to the day, but the sun will break through, especially from the west. But it's still going to be chilly in some eastern areas. Now, the other thing is the humidity level is also going to rise, so it will feel quite sticky. And it looks like we'll have this on Monday as well. And then something less mild as we head into the middle of the week is how it's looking currently. So a bit of a change in the forecast as we head towards the latter part of this week and the weekend.
Getting ready for some thunder and lightning, Carol.
Yes,
maybe.
I know. Do you like it?
I love it. Do you?
Yes, I do. I love watching it. I don't like being in it, but I love watching it.
I know. I think some people find it scary, don't they?
Yes,
People that
definitely.
don't like it.
Especially pets.
Yes.
Sometimes dogs,
Yes.
yeah, but
Yes. Yeah.
just when we thought we were into this nice, settled, sunny period.
So I always say, John, it's a long way off and it could change.
There we go. Let's remember that.
We're looking at a cloudy start to the day with a little bit of drizzle in the east, but through the day that cloud will push back towards the east coast, allowing a lot of sunshine for many parts of the country. The other thing worth noting if you're just stepping out and you have an allergy to grass pollen is the levels are very high in Wales and southern England today, high in Northern Ireland, but lower moderate across the rest of the country. So you might want to just take a hanky with you if you are stepping out. You know, it's fairly cloudy this morning. I don't know if you noticed on your way into work. And some of that cloud's actually thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle. And what you'll find as we go through the course of today is that the cloud will retreat back towards the east coast, but it will linger. And in fact, that really is the forecast for the next couple of days. We start off in a cloudy note, then through the day, the cloud is eroded and we start to see the sunshine coming through where we don't have it to start with.